Good morning, everyone. Today we would like to talk about our BIE1008 group assignment, which the title is Nuisance and Trespass. Here is about our team member. We got 6 members. First is Chong Kai, the second is Chow Zi Seng, and then is me, Lim Fei Fang, Cao Jia Jun, Gong An Hee, and the last is Xu Yanjing.
Hey guys, can you please lower down the voice?
What do you mean, man? It's none of business.
Hey officer, it's them. They've been making noises in front of my house for an hour.
Are you the landowner?
Yes, I am.
What are you guys talking here for so long time?
We are discussing about the meanings of nuisance that taught by Dr. Amalina last week.
Let's go some. Wait. So, what is the definition of nuisance?
Okay, so what is nuisance? In legal terms, nuisance refers to an act, condition, or situation that unlawfully interferes with the use or enjoyment of someone's property or infringes on public rights. It is a broad concept in tort law designed to address activities or conditions that cause harm or inconvenience to individuals or the community. There are two types of nuisance. It is public nuisance and private nuisance.
I'm going to explain about the essential of public nuisance. To make a claim for public nuisance, the plaintiff has to show the defendant must have interfered with public property or with a right common to the public. Since the impact of the nuisance is felt by the public, thus the law limits the right to sue only to public authorities who are responsible for protecting the right of the public and those individuals who suffer a particularized harm from the nuisance. To make a claim for private nuisance, the plaintiff has to show three essentials, which are a plaintiff has a possessory interest in the land, a defendant performed an act that interfered with the plaintiff's use and enjoyment of his property, and lastly, that the defendant's interference with the plaintiff's use or enjoyment of land was substantial and unreasonable.
Okay, so in conclusions, nuisance refers to an act or condition which interferes with the use and enjoyment of someone's property. However, if the action is interfering with public property or non-excludable goods, then it is considered as public nuisance. The example for public nuisance is like car park on the streets for more than 72 hours without moving, which is the most common nuisance we have seen around us. And for private nuisance as well, an action interference with the use and enjoyment of a single person's property is considered as a private nuisance. The example for private nuisance is like generating excessive noise during unreasonable hour. It is like your neighbor playing piano for so loud in the midnight time.
Can you trespass your own property?
That's it, officer! That's the landlord that has been trespassing our home.
Wait, hold on. I'm not trespassing. I'm the owner.
Do you notify your tenant that you can exit from the correspondence?
He stated that I am not my
What is trespass? Trespass is an unlawful intrusion that interferes with one's person or property without their permission. In Malaysia, trespass is both a civil and criminal offence. It is actionable per se without proof of special damage. Trespass law aims to protect the ownership, property rights, and personal safety while providing mechanisms for enforcement and compensation. There are three types of trespass, which are the trespass to land, trespass to goods, and trespass to the person.
Okay, now let us talk about three types of trespass. The first one is trespass to land, unauthorized physical entry at another person's real property such as land or buildings. For example, defendant enter plaintiff's house without permission and refuse to live with us. Remedies for this case is compensation for any harm caused by the trespass. The second one is trespass to goods. Interfere with someone else's personal belongings without their permission. For instance, defendant interfered plaintiff's bicycle without permission and damaged the bicycle. Plaintiff can claim for damages in a serious suit as a remedy. The third one is trespass to the person. Direct and intentional harm to another person such as exhaust, battery, or false imprisonment. For example, physically restraining someone without justification. Remedies are serious claims for compensation or criminal charges under the penal code.
In conclusion, nuisance and trespass are two common thoughts that involve infringements on the rights of others, but they are different in nature. Trespass is the direct unauthorized entry into another person's land or property. It is a direct violation and usually involves illegally entering another person's physical space or using another person's property without permission. Trespass itself is a thought, whether or not damage is caused. Trespass can be intentional, breaking in on purpose, or unintentional, such as entering someone else's land by mistake. For example, entering someone's yard or house, or parking a vehicle on someone else's private land without permission. Trespass is a reminder of the importance of respecting others' rights to property and personal space, which is why it remains a significant area of law in safeguarding individuals and maintaining social order. By grasping the fundamental principles of trespass, we can avoid legal complications and foster a culture of respect for personal and private property.